Hello there, YouTubers. Me and Sarah Jean Anderson are going to the vending place, to the vending machine, into the commons area, and we're going to have some fun. And I'm going to take my trash out, too, because Sarah says so. Sarah's going to take my trash out. Holy shit.
I'm wearing clothes that were left in my house by boys I banged.
Sarah's a whore. A big whore.
No, I just need to do laundry. I think it's not open. I'm going to ask Kevin.
Okay.
Can we get something from the vending machine? It's open, thank you. Oh, the lights are just off. Ooh, it's dark. Dark, Joey. Are you scared?
Yes, I am very much scared, Sarah Jean.
That's a weird voice.
I'm a Jewish nebbish. This is my scared voice.
I'm a Jewish nebbish.
I'm a Jewish nebbish, and this is my Jewish nebbish voice because I'm very scared.
I got my beverage.
Because I'm a prejudiced asshole who holds prejudices about Jews.
Shall we show on the camera, show the table where people throw away things?
This is where we throw away things.
No, that's where
okay,
people put things that they want.
that's not interesting.
You're not.
Shut up.
This is what we do at 3 in the morning.
Yep. Okay, let's see. Is there any Diet Coke? You motherfuckers!
Oh.
You motherfuckers!
Joe! Joe, settle down. Joe, it's okay. It's gonna be okay. Settle down. Joe. Joe. Joe, there's other selections.
There's not even any goddamn Diet Mountain Dew.
That's why I got orange
have to
soda.
drink
There's always orange soda.
Fucking sugary beverage.
Then get your money back.
No.
It's the most boring video ever.
No, there's no Coke. Okay, I guess.
You have to get orange.
Jesus Christ.
Joe's actually mad.
Jesus Christ. Wait a minute.
Did you put money in?
75 cents. It's
Are you
75
sure?
cents.
Are you
right?
sure you put money in?
It's 75 cents.
Yes.
And what the hell?
That was a funny voice you did.
75 cents.
Orange soda. Push orange soda.
I did. Sarah, there might possibly be nothing in here.
Yeah, there's probably nothing left. No, don't. Don't break it.
Okay.
Yeah, you lost 75 cents. But you don't drink pop anyway. You only drink Diet.
No, wait. What's going on? What's happening? Wait. No,
You didn't put money in, Joe.
I did. No, I put all my money in there.
But now how come it says 10 cents?
I don't know.
Get all the money back.
It's gone.
I'll give you 75 cents if we can leave the vending machine room. I'll give you 75 cents tomorrow. It's okay.
Watch me trudge.
I'm sorry.
I just wasted my 75 cents.
Now there should be like...
The only money I had left for all month.
I'll give you 75 cents. Joe, now there should be like sad music playing. That's not sad enough to capture the sadness.
That's funeral music.
I'm saying this is sadder. This is sadder than that.
Oh, poor Joe.
Walk faster.
Sad people don't
walk faster. I have to drink this soda that I got. I got one. That security guard hates me. She hates me so much.
Here, watch me drink water. Water, it's so yummy.
Ah!
It's free.
Joe, you should comb your hair.